Today's topic is simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to denote the action done at a particular time in the past. Today's topic is question word. Question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb did, subject, verb 1, object, other expression and question mark. Question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb did, subject, verb 1, object, other expression. The question word what, which, where, when, how, why, whom, when, question words. Here before we write a question word, we must look at positive statement. Positive statement example is we saw the exhibition last week. This is positive statement. Now I am going to write examples. Who did see the exhibition? Who did see the exhibition? The exhibition. Who did see the exhibition last week? Last week. Who did see the exhibition last week? Who? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Here in the question subject is not available because subject is an answer. Next one, see, verb 1. The exhibition last week. Object and other expression. Who did see the exhibition last week? Answer we. We saw the exhibition last week. Next one. What did we see last week? Last week. What did we see last week? What? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. We subject. See verb 1. Last week. Other expression. Here object didn't write because object is an answer. What did we see last week? Answer the exhibition. We saw the exhibition last week. Next one. When did we see the exhibition? The exhibition. When did we see the exhibition? When? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. We subject. See verb 1. The exhibition object. Here in the third question other expression is not available because other expression is an answer. When did we see the exhibition? Answer last week. We saw the exhibition last week. Question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb did, subject, verb 1, object, other expression. So question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb did, subject, verb 1, object, other expression. Next example is Surya started this business in 2005. Surya started this business in 2005. Surya subject, started verb 2, this business in 2005, object and other expression. This is positive statement. Now I am going to write question word. Who did start? Who did start this business in 2005? Who did start this business in 2005? Who? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Here subject didn't write because subject is an answer. Start verb 1. This business object in 2005 other expression. Who did start this business in 2005? Answer Surya. Surya started this business in 2005. Next one, What did Surya what did Surya do in 2005? What did Surya do in 2005? What? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Surya subject. Do verb 1. In 2005 other expression. What did Surya do in 2005? Answer. Surya started this business in 2005. So answer this business. Next one. When did Surya start this business? When did Surya start this business? When? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Surya subject. Start verb 1. This business object. When did Surya start this business? Answer. In 2005. Surya started this business in 2005. Question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb, did subject verb 1 object and other expression. This is question word. And next positive statement example is Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. Hari subject vacated verb 2. That house object suddenly last year. Other expression. Hari subject vacated verb 2. That house object suddenly last year. Other expression. Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. This is positive statement. Now I am going to write question word. Who did vacate that house suddenly last year. Who did vacate that house suddenly last year? Who? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Here subject implied because subject is answer. Vacate verb 1. That house suddenly last year. Object and other expression. Who did vacate that house suddenly last year? Answer Hari. Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. Next, what did Hari do? What did Hari do suddenly last year? What? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Hari subject. Do verb 1. Suddenly last year. Other expression. What did Hari do suddenly last year? What did Hari do suddenly last year? Hari vacated that house. That house is answer. Hari vacated that house. Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. Next one. How did Hari vacate that house last year? How? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Hari subject. Vacate verb 1. That house last year. So that house object. That house last year. How did Hari vacate that house last year? Answer. Suddenly. Hari vacated that house suddenly. How did Hari vacate that house last year? Hari vacated that house suddenly. Next one is when did Hari vacate that house? When did Hari vacate that house? When? Question word. Did auxiliary verb. Hari subject. vacate, verb 1. That house, object. When did Hari vacate that house? Answer, last year. Hari vacated that house suddenly last year. So this is question word. Question word rule is question word auxiliary verb. In the auxiliary verb, did, subject, verb 1, object and other expression. Next one is Venu completed degree in 2015. Venu, subject, completed, verb 2, degree in 2015, object and other expression. Example is who did complete degree in 2015. Who did complete degree in 2015? Who? Question word did auxiliary verb. Here subject didn't write because subject is an answer. Complete verb 1. Degree in 2015. Who did complete degree in 2015? Answer Venu. Venu completed degree in 2015. What did Venu? What did Venu complete in 2015? What did Venu complete in 2015? What? Question word. Did. Auxiliary verb. Venu subject. Complete verb 1. In 2015. Other expression. What did Venu complete in 2015? Answer degree. Venu completed degree in 2015. Next. When did Venu complete degree? When did Venu complete degree? When. Question word. Did. Auxiliary verb. Venu subject. Complete verb 1. Degree object. When did Venu complete degree? Answer in 2015. Venu completed degree in 2015. Do practice question words thoroughly. Thank you.